Okay, well, so today we are going to tell you the CNC machine, computer numerical control machines, and how this CNC that is different from the conventional machines. Now, this is the computer numerical control machines. This is the one CNC turning center is there, which is made by the Bartley by, and in this CNC machine, everything is controlled numerically. So, what the program is fed into the Fanuc systems. And here, as per the programming, we get the different motions like a primary motion and secondary motion. We can show various parts of this CNC machines. Now here it comes to the work holding devices. Now work holding devices like this is a 3-jaw chuck is there, and here holding and again locking and unlocking can be done hydraulically with the help of a wheels are there, that is a tail stalk. Wheels are there, that is for locking, unlocking, for movement of a tail stalk as well as for the work holding. Now this is as a tool holding devices. This is the turret is there where the 8 stations are there, and we can fit the different tools as per the requirements. And as a whole, this is the tail stalk and systems are there. Now coming to other part, this is the air conditioning unit, which is again for the cooling of all the electronic components which are mounted inside that, and one is a stabilizer, that is a electrical transformer as a stabilizer. Now this is a lubrication system is there. That lubrication again, this is a repeatedly that a lubricant goes to all the moving components, lubricate the parts and come back to this system. And inside here coolant, this is coolant where the coolant with the help of a motor, that pressure is built up and the coolant goes to the machining area and cool the workpiece, as well as that cutting tool is there. So that is a coolant. This as a complete as a hydraulic systems. So here the hydraulic system is used for as the movement for the locking and unlocking of workpiece, as well as for the movement of a tail stalk. Main controller is on, and this is the screen where we can feed the programs. This is a program is made of a G code and M codes. Here we can show that all that positions of X and Z, the two motions are there, and we can show that what the speed is there, what is the position of a tool, and the coolant is there, and all the programs, whatever the program we want to do on the workpiece, that program can be made by using a G code and M code, and that is a fed manually from here with the help of this keyboard is there, and here the selections are there, and depending upon that, so that program can be fed. So this is all we can show here, that hydraulically, so how that this workpiece can be held, locking and unlocking, that is shown by Mr. Amit. Please show. So this is again removing, so that is the unlocking of the workpiece and locking of the workpiece is there. Hydraulic foot pedals are there, and here we can show the tail stalk movement. So here you can show that movement is there. So this is Z-axis movement, and that is X-axis. So X-axis movement and Z-axis movement we can do with the, this is the electrical drive is there by using this. So by putting this, we can bring the cutting tool near to the workpiece and start the program, and then automatically that spindle start rotating and all the operation is performed automatically. So here we can see the coolant on and coolant off system is there. And coolant off. So whichever the cutting tool is there, from there that coolant comes and goes to the machining area for the cooling purposes there. And this is some warning system is there, that is a special beauty is there. Whenever there is any problem in the machines, that red warning comes and the machine stop. So, and this is the again the safety purpose, whenever just pressing so that everything stop and then machine is safe and operator is safe. Okay, thank you very much.